Have you been seeking an outstanding internet business opportunity? If so, you may have heard of 123 Profit and the incredible results it claims to bring. But what's the assurance that this training course isn't like the hundreds of others that failed to deliver? If you are unsure if 123 Profit is for you, you're in the perfect spot. In this in-depth, honest review of 123 Profit, a famous online business training program, I'll address the question, is it worth your money? And more importantly, what should you anticipate from 123 Profit? Who are the developers of 123 Profit? About Steve. Clayton's business has altered since 2005 as he teamed with Tim Godfrey and Steve Clayton, and he was just the third owner of his firm. Clayton was the CFO of a Fortune 500 firm and had an excellent planning solution. Before becoming involved with new partners, he knew how crucial it was to diversify his firm. But he needed a detailed strategy on how he'd go about achieving it. That was the first thing to improve in his new firm, significantly impacting him. About Aidan Booth. Aidan Booth is an internet business specialist and publisher of the renowned aidanbooth.com, his online marketing blog. That's where he talks about what he's been doing to achieve outcomes for himself and his clients. Aidan began his path into the online world almost unexpectedly. With his wife, they relocated to Argentina, although he didn't know Spanish. And this was the primary reason for getting his practical digital marketing experience in 2005. By 2006, he felt seasoned in working in the digital environment. He was able to put up numerous basic affiliate websites and drive traffic with Google AdWords. Although his commissions were small, he discovered a new way to generate money. At some time, he switched the emphasis to a combination of e-commerce and affiliate sites. The sites tend to produce the most significant Google traffic. Here is what you need to know. 123 Profit is unique. 123 Profit is a unique spin on affiliate marketing and email marketing. Excellent for novices, this basic tool will have your new business up and operating in days. No inventory, no products, no goods to buy and sell, no inventory to store at your house, no customer service. This unusual company strategy is devoid of all the conventional internet business difficulties. Key software is included. Fear of technology got you down? No worries. With 123 Profit, you'll get your business up and going with only a few clicks. The application includes proprietary website building tools designed exclusively for this program. Sales before the refund period. Are you worried about the risk? Don't be. You'll make success with 123 Profit so rapidly that you'll know for sure if it's for you before the refund time is over. You could have even already paid for the training using your revenues. After carefully scrutinizing every part of the software, from the quality of the instructions to the help you receive along the way, we're confident in declaring that generally it's a good choice for anyone searching for a straightforward, stable business model that comes with outstanding teaching. But don't just take our word for it. Watch to find out why. Today, we'll discuss everything from the pros and disadvantages to the bottom line so that you can make an informed choice about whether or not this program is good for you. What is 123 Profit? 123 Profit is an 8-week training program focusing on CPA marketing and how to use this marketing technique to create an online business. This program is meant for people wishing to start their own online business or those currently running an online company who want to learn more about CPA marketing. This hands-on class covers training on selecting the proper offers, building up your campaign, tracking your performance, and growing your marketing funnels for exceptional results. In addition, you will also have access to special coaching and hand-holding mentoring, where you can ask questions and get assistance from other program participants. 123 Profit is a treasure mine of all you need to know about CPA marketing and how to use it to expand your online business. How does 123 Profit work? Every one of these online business packages you are presented each year from Steve and Aidan has some form of underlying, typically highly successful, and excellent business plan. Whether it's print on demand, drop shipping, advertising through an interrupt, or marketing on Facebook, one way or another, there's something exceptional about the services they provide. And usually, what they do is focus on something separate from what everyone else is teaching in the marketplace. This year, 123 Profit will introduce something called CPA marketing or affiliate marketing. In this situation, CPA stands for Cost Per Action Marketing. This business model is a long-standing business model that's held up for a long time, and in Cost Per Action Marketing, what you're doing is you're driving traffic to an offer, and you get paid on that traffic. How does CPA marketing work? Have you ever wondered how those folks make all that money just by posting on Facebook? Well, they're most certainly employing CPA marketing. CPA, or cost per action, is a sort of internet marketing where you get a fee for each action taken by the person that you've recommended. For example, if you suggest a person to a website and they sign up for a subscription, you would get a commission. When you offer a user to an online retailer and they make a purchase, you would likewise get a commission. CPA marketing is a terrific technique to generate money online since it doesn't require the user to purchase for you to earn a commission. All you need is for the user to execute the appropriate action, and you'll get paid. And with 123 Profit, you can learn everything there is to know about this revenue stream and start generating money as soon as possible. 123 Profit simplifies CPA marketing into manageable bits so you can get the hang of it and utilize it in your business. What is the core of 123 Profit? If you want to generate additional cash or develop a full-time income, CPA marketing might be the right choice. And with 123 Profit, you can get started fast and effortlessly. This thorough training course covers all you need about CPA marketing, from setting up your campaign to advanced tactics for expanding your revenue. Plus, this course is taught by professional marketers who have excelled in CPA marketing, so we can be confident that you're learning from the best in the industry. Who is 123 Profit for? 123 Profit is an excellent training curriculum for anyone who wishes to earn money via cost per action, CPA marketing. This course will teach you all you need to know to get started in this profitable earning stream and how to expand your profits to the next level. You'll learn about the many sorts of CPA offers, how to discover the best offers to advertise, and how to optimize your revenue per click. You'll also have access to unique tools and information in 123 Profit to get started in this industry swiftly. 8 components of 123 Profit. The most excellent part about 123 Profit is that Steve and Iden have separated it into 8 layers/modules. Each module is termed a component and covers a specific level of CPA marketing. To offer you the know-how of what to expect in each module, we'll briefly review them and see what they include. So, here goes. 1. 123 Profit Blueprint. The 123 Profit Blueprint is the first component of 123 Profit, and it lays out the action plan you need to follow to generate $100 per day in profits through CPA marketing. The blueprint is a step-by-step guide that helps you through the process, from choosing a profitable niche to increasing traffic and turning leads into purchases. Steve and Iden offer their top secret formula for success with this strategy and provide all the tools and resources you need to get started. The 123 Profit Blueprint will be your first stage of success in CPA marketing as it reveals the power this software involves. With this blueprint, you may determine how to proceed with the 123 Profit program and ace it. 2. Live Sessions. 123 Profit's second module is about obtaining live sessions with CPA specialists, viewing live demos, and being set weekly homework to ensure you're getting the hang of this marketing technique. Steve and Iden have structured this module thoughtfully, ensuring that each student has an excellent chance to have one-on-one time with an expert and understand all the ins and outs of this powerful marketing approach. The weekly homework assignments are also a terrific method to ensure you implement what you've learned in a real-world scenario. Overall, this lesson is a very significant source for anyone serious about learning how to optimize their CPA marketing efforts. 3. Commission Launchpad. 123 Profit's Commission Launchpad is a powerful tool that gives customers easy-to-use shortcuts and templates that can be put to their websites, making it simple to get started with CPA marketing. Additionally, the Commission Launchpad is meant to assist users in optimizing their earning potential by offering extensive guidance on taking advantage of various CPA offers. Overall, the Commission Launchpad is a crucial tool for anybody trying to get started with CPA marketing. Thanks to its user-friendly design and comprehensive capabilities, it is simple to see why this module is one of the most popular components of 123 Profit. This component enables you to set up a scanner website in 15 minutes, grasp bespoke integrations, and leverage push-button shortcuts to amp up your CPA approach. 4. Done for you, DFY, Speed Files. In the fourth module of 123 Profit, Steve and Iden excelled again. This time, they've offered students access to ready-made templates and files that can be swiftly added to websites to improve conversion power. We can't stress enough how beneficial this is, especially for those less than web-savvy. In addition, the templates are easy to change, so you can make them your own without spending hours or even days messing with coding. 5. Traffic Mastery. The fifth component of 123 Profit is focused on collecting traffic from numerous channels and converting it into CPA marketing placements. Steve and Iden have built this module systematically, offering learners all the tools and information they need to acquire web traffic dominance. This section reviews the main traffic channels, such as organic search, social media, and paid advertising. It then goes further into each track, giving suggestions and methods for getting the most out of each. The module also contains a section on tracking and optimization, so that customers may fine-tune their campaigns for optimal results. This module is a fantastic resource for anyone trying to get started with CPA marketing. Examples of successful CPA marketing. Next up, we have the sixth component of 123 Profit, which teaches students valuable lessons and insights from real-world instances of effective CPA marketing. Steve and Apictab picked many cases to highlight how innovative thinking and outside-the-box solutions may lead to tremendous results. The program also gives some essential suggestions and cues that CPA learners may utilize to better their CPA marketing efforts. Overall, this is a beautiful supplement to the course and improves your viewpoint of this deep-rooted marketing tree. 7. The Stratosphere Code 123 is an actionable CPA cost per action training course, and its seventh is called the Stratosphere Code. In it, you'll be taught to cut down on marketing expenditures and scale your profit as you develop. The Stratosphere Code is a clever approach to saving money on marketing expenditures while growing your business. Using the Stratosphere Code, you can save money on things like Facebook advertisements and Google AdWords. In addition, you'll learn how to leverage data to your advantage to make wiser marketing decisions and save even more money. 8. Exclusive Coaching and Support. The eighth and last component of 123 Profit is the Private Coaching and Rapid Response Help Desk. This is where students may obtain hand-holding help from CPA specialists and discuss their questions. This subject aims to offer students the skills and information they need to thrive in the competitive world of internet marketing. Steve and Iden have prepared this high-value program to give pupils the highest chance of success. Providing professional assistance and coaching ensures that students have all they need to succeed. This module will be handy for all students who take part in it. Features of 123 Profit for your CPA marketing efforts. As you would have realized by now, 123 Profit is a well-thought-out software that follows a step-by-step process. The main advantages of this training, along with the 8 value-loaded components I have described. Shortcut access to major CPA networks. Quick approvals. Detailed know-how of traffic sources. Resolving the inner traffic difficulties. PDF files and templates. Exclusive coaching. Ability to obtain help from CPA specialists. Easy-to-follow course arrangement. Drawbacks of 123 Profit. Its cost looks pretty hefty. This course won't fit beginners. The cost of CPA marketing is lower than suggested in this training. It's the verdict. 123 Profit is packed with excellent suggestions and guidance on thriving in the world of CPA marketing. However, the cost of the course is pretty hefty. The expense may be too expensive to justify for individuals who are just beginning in internet marketing. Alternative, less costly systems can give the same information and help. Also, this training is worth the money if you are genuinely serious about learning and thriving in the CPA marketing world. The rationale for this program's high cost is that it promises to offer many excellent resources, such as a private community, one-on-one coaching, and a done-for-you service. While these fantastic products come at a price, you don't get to avoid getting them. Before selecting whether or not to purchase this course, I recommend that our viewers conduct additional research to decide whether it best matches their business interests. 123 Profit is a substantial investment. If you are contemplating making that investment, you need to know whether or not you can trust Steve Clayton and Iden Booth to refund your money under the circumstances that they spell out in their refund policy in the unlikely event that you decide 123 Profit is not for you. And let's be honest, we've all been there when we wanted to invest in something. We wanted to take a chance, but we just needed to figure out whether we could trust the folks on the other side of the screen. It's not a fast, wealthy scheme. It's a learning process course, and while you will make money the first month of your instruction, everybody's experience will be different. Some will enjoy a modest, increasing trajectory of revenue right from the outset. Some will rise and falls but steadily move up. Due to personal or life circumstances, some will only be able to start on this for a few months. I hope you find my 123 profit review helpful. Make sure to like, comment, and share this video. Subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.